Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Vibe 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the start or back button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use, and then you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also do this through the settings. So if you press the start button on the home screen, it will open the menu. Then you can tap on settings icon and then tap on display and watch face switch. And it will open the watch face menu. You can find the watch face you like and then tap on it to select it and apply it. And as you saw, we only had like 3 watch faces in the menu, and we can download more. But to do that, you will need to have a watch paired with a phone. And once you pair your watch with a phone, you can open the CloudFit Pro application on that phone. And the app, you can tap on device, and here you should see your Vibe 7 Pro. And then you can tap on dial library. And here we have the dial center. You have some watch faces you can download. To do that, you can tap on one, tap on push, it will start downloading. And it will basically download and apply the watch face on your watch. And here we have it. You can also tap on My Dial right here to see the list of watch faces you downloaded on your watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.